It is that time of year again. Welcome, everybody, to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and I am at Unveiled at CES 2023. And here are the best gear and gadgets that I found. Starting off with Govee. Govee is making waves. It has two new things to announce this year. First is a AI sync box. So this little box can sit underneath your monitor. It has three different inputs, three HDMI inputs, as well as one HDMI output. It supports things like Dolby Vision and 4K, all the way up to 240 hertz, and supports CEC for pass-through controls. It actually uses AI to watch things that are on your screen, and in a little array of games that it supports, it'll do things like flash red when you kill a boss, and can identify things going on screen and then show lights that react to them. It is pretty darn cool. Additionally, Govee has announced that its LED light strip M1 2 meter is fully Matter certified. It is also certified for Google Home, or works with Google Home, but thanks to Matter, it'll work with everything, including Apple HomeKit. That brings us to number 2 on the list, which is the new Switchbot Hub 2. This is another smart home product, and the big thing this year at CES is that it supports Matter. That's going to be a familiar thread as we go across this conference. But thanks to Matter support here, once it's been upgraded, it'll be added to the packaging and everything. But Matter support will allow several of the different Switchbot products to work natively with HomeKit, which so far has not been possible. For instance, its lock. This lock is pretty incredible. It can work with fingerprint, passcode, RFID card, or sorry, NFC card. But then there's the new curtain rod here, so you can control this in HomeKit as well. So both of these can work with HomeKit now that the new hub has been updated to support Matter. Then we went over to the GE booth. GE was showing off its new profile mixer, and this is pretty great whether you are a novice chef or you are very experienced in the kitchen. This has a lot of things to love. They completely kind of reimagined the mixer from how the bowl is put on, which is very easy. They redesigned how the blades and the whisk can go onto the mixer, which is kind of like putting on a drill bit to an impact driver that kind of snaps on. There's a collar you pull down to release. No more twisting it into place like on the KitchenAids. It has a bunch of integrated things like a timer. Just rotate this around to set a timer, as well as to set your speed control. It'll count down and then stop automatically for you. The top is also a built-in scale, so as you are baking, you want to be very precise with your measurements. This whole thing can act as a scale. Zero it out, add in your ingredients as you go, and it'll weigh them for you so you can be super precise as you bake. This thing is retailing now after being announced late last year. This is the new HyperDrive HyperPack Pro, which notably works with Apple Find My. It's pretty great because you'll be able to find your backpack from anywhere. So right here on the top of the bag, you'll see a tiny little sewn spot. That is Apple's Find My tag, and also acts as the speaker. So if you need to find your backpack and emit a noise, it'll come right out of this little sewn in spot. But this backpack has a bunch of other features to love as well, besides just Apple Find My support. For example, the zippers. They're all waterproof YK zippers. On the back, these two can actually lock together to help prevent someone from pickpocketing into your backpack. You can see there is a suspended pocket for like your laptop, so if you drop this, it's not going to hurt your laptop or iPad that's in there. A ton of pockets here on the front for all of your gear and your gadgets. There's also this whole integrated power solution, which is very neat. So if you have a battery pack, like a giant USB-C one like this one here from Hyper, you can actually route all the power cables. So one can go into the front to connect something like your AirPods or your Apple Watch. One can route here through the back to power up your iPad Pro or your MacBook, and even one to the side where you can plug in a MagSafe charger and then power up your iPhone. It's so cool to be able to route all of these power cables at once. It's got an adjustable sternum strap on the front, and again, built in with Apple Find My. This thing is starting off on Indiegogo, where it's starting off with a 40% discount for people that are interested before shipping to backers in February. The Wii board I looked at a few years ago, I believe, but now this thing is becoming more and more useful. When I first looked at it, it was neat, but it really relied on IFTTT to get things done. But now it's going to be supporting Matter. So this is a new generation of the device that'll work with Matter, and you can use it to control all of your Matter accessories. So there's a bunch of stuff that you could do here depending on how your home is set up. So they have a few different demos right here. This is the easy way to control control a timer. You can draw, and it's increasing the timer there on the left. So you could just do just a simple swirl. Then as you go, your line will actually start to disappear. Once you hit play, it'll count it down, and then the lights can turn off after that set period of time. So you just go zigzag a whole bunch, and then it'll turn off when it's done. Here's another Matter demo on this other board here. When we pulled up that Matter icon, it gives you kind of a demo on what stuff Matter could do in your home. So there's a bunch of different things in your home that it can control. Things like your curtains, like right here we have our curtains and other controls such as that, or air quality, anything like that. It could monitor and control for your home. We go back, of course, lights, pretty basic. Control the lights on the room, just tap and they can turn on or off, super simple. There's other things such as your HVAC systems or your heating and cooling. All of that stuff can be controlled right here from the MUI board with Matter. Again, with a smart home, Nanoleaf has some cool stuff to show off here. Some stuff that was shown off years ago that's finally actually going to be making it to market. So first is their new screen mirroring, their camera system. This camera can be mounted above or below your TV or monitor, and then it'll go ahead and mirror that to your Nanoleaf lights, whether it's a light strip behind your TV or monitor, whether you have wall panels around, but it's going to use this camera to recognize what is on screen and then adjust the lights in the room in near real time. It is very neat, and just another kind of way that they're doing these syncing lights with your gaming content or your TV content, your movies, all of that. Then we have the Sense Plus controls, which is using the Nala, which is the Nanoleaf automated learning assistant. So there's a few different controls. There's a light switch as well as a dimmer, and then there is the hub. It's going to learn what you do every day and then start to do things predictively so that you don't have to do them. They say it's the first smart switches that are designed not to be pushed and not to be used because they should hopefully learn most of your daily routines without you having to do anything. Then we have Neutrogena. These are the Skin 360 skin stacks, and these are little 7-layer gummies that are made to order that are based on your actual skin, and then they are 3D printed on demand, and then they ship to you in this box, and you get like an entire month supply, and they're completely tailored to your skin. Additionally, they use pectin, so they are completely vegan friendly, and they are sugar free. I got to try these out. They do not look bad at all. They look pretty tasty. They're very squishy, definitely like a gummy. They still have the sweet taste. Like these were like tangy apple. Like there's all sorts of different stuff they can do here, but they are super cool, and you'll get the printout of everything that is in them that is designed for you, and the packaging is also easily compostable. Just in a few weeks, these little packages are made from wood pulp and will just completely disintegrate even though they feel kind of like plastic. So that's it. That is all the coolest stuff that I found here at CES 2023 Unveiled. What was your favorite thing? Let me know down below in the comments.